Hello kids, Princey here. Today I will teach you how to draw a beautiful frog. First I am going to draw one beautiful big heart. Now I am going to draw two heart-shaped sleeves. Great! Now our frog's upper part is ready. Now I am going to draw some lines like this and drawing some curves like this. Great! Now I'm going to draw some lines. Great! Our frog is ready. It's time to enhance the picture. Great! Our picture is more visible to us now. Let's color our picture. I am using red color for our heart. Now I am using pink color. It's time to use yellow color. Now I am using light green color. Now I am using sky blue color. Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Orange color. Great! Our picture is ready. Now I'm going to enhance the picture. Well done kids, our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel.